going to cut them on the bias a little bit of thickness so you have some texture there.
A partnership between local business leaders and Charleston County School District is cooking up opportunities for students. Thanks to the program Bread and Butter, students are able to learn from some of the top chefs and restaurant owners in the area.
I've learned a lot in here, and I've actually taken it out there in the real world, like knife skills and like sanitation.
I know the students are always excited. Whatever day it is I come, whether it's Tuesday or Wednesday, they seem to get really excited and they're engaged. The teachers love that we can bring the real world into the classroom.
Becky Burke is one of the individuals who helped prepare Bread and Butter. It officially started in the classroom, or kitchen, last year at Burke High School and expanded to West Ashley High School this year. The local tourism scene relies on the success of restaurants. She told us more than 4,000 jobs will be added to Charleston's hospitality industry by 2021.
I think part of what makes Charleston special is our amazing culinary community and the world-class restaurants that we have here, and that people come from all over the world to eat here and experience our cuisine. And we want to make sure those restaurants are here and can stay staffed.
And I think this is a program that's really going to make a change. It's no longer saying, hey, just send me workers. I think people are realizing that that doesn't help. It's getting them into the classroom so they can create relationships with the students.
If you're going to change how kids view the world, you got to start early, you know. And if we want them to be a part of what we're doing and understand what we're doing, we got to get in their heads early and make them understand, you know, what they're up against and the challenges that are before them.
Aaron Siegel, the chief operating partner for Home Team Barbecue, was excited about his first opportunity to mix it up with students at West Ashley. While he might be providing tips for his next chef or future business partner, he really just wants young people in this area to know they have someone they can go to for real-world advice.
See how that's starting to get thick? You got a little bit ways to go there.
When you have somebody come in and do something that's actually, you know, that's realistic and they can see it's tangible to them, I think that you're seeing kids perk up and going, hey, you know, and that excites them.
It could open up doors for when you decide to, or if you decide to go into culinary, or when you're graduating and you want a job into the culinary field, you can already have a place set up for you. So I think that's really, really special.
The Bread and Butter program doesn't just reinforce the students' relationship with the business community, it also strengthens or reinforces the fact that cooking is a skill. So that way when they're done with their schooling, they're prepared for life.
I know that all of these students, regardless of where they're going, will be able to cook for themselves, their friends, their spouse, loved ones, whatever it may be. They don't have a choice.
Being able to cook and you know, take some food and prepare it and make it for yourself or your family is a huge asset to have. So that's a big deal, first of all, just for life in general.
Bread and Butter is not just about the action in the kitchen. The guest instructors give students a detailed look at the entire restaurant business.
It's almost even like a working interview. You know, they can see who volunteers, who helps clean up. The students get to see different types of cuisines, different, you know, they get to see everything from fine dining to barbecue to pastry, all sorts of things. So it's neat for the students to kind of, if they want to go into the industry, to figure out what's the best fit for them and what kind of style of food do they want to get into. So it's really cool.
No doubt Brazil Murray appreciates what organizers of this program and her culinary instructor at West Ashley have done for her and her classmates. She is set to become a leader in this business, as she's been accepted to both Johnson & Wales in Miami and the Culinary Institute of America in New York City.
As you go on in life, relationships are important because you never know who can open that door for you. If you take advantage of it, then that's the best thing possible because you never know where it can lead you in life.
So maybe we will see Brazil participating in this program again in a few years as a guest instructor. In West Ashley, for the Stories of CCSD, I'm Andy Pruitt.
Beautiful shed. Awesome.
So that's it.